47-year-old Jamaican woman murdered by her 30-year-old husband in the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Clayton County Sheriff is calling for the death penalty for a Forest Park man, 30-year-old Jamaican Jermaine Jones, OCJ, following the gruesome stabbing death of his wife, 47-year-old Opal Christian Jones, on Wednesday night, September 26. Clayton County deputies and Clayton County police officers responded to a domestic incident on Springview Drive in Forest Park, Georgia. There, they found a woman who had been stabbed multiple times and who said was almost severed from her body. Jermaine Jones later called 911 from Hollywood Boulevard and allegedly said something to the effect that he had just committed a heinous crime. Clayton County police detectives responded, taking Jones, whose clothes allegedly were bloody, into custody.
When officers arrived, they say Jones's clothes were soaked with blood.
Jones is being held without bond at the Clayton County Jail on one charge of malice murder. An eyewitness who identified Jones as a suspect said he tried to stop Jones but ended up fleeing for his life.
Investigators say one family member tried to stop Jones from attacking his wife, but they turned and ran for their own safety.
He did it, said one neighbor. He did it.
He did it. He did it.
The neighbor claimed to have heard Jones talking to someone, possibly the daughter, after the murder, saying,
"What are you crying for? You act like you ain't never seen a dead body before."
Who's he saying that to?
I guess the daughter.
Court records obtained showed that Jones was denied bond on Friday, September 28. A preliminary hearing is scheduled for October 11. No attorney has been named. Jones also sent a voice note message to some of his contacts after he had killed his wife. Here are excerpts from that message.
Stalin Nation, this is Jermaine Jones, aka better known as Fresh Cash. And this might be the last time you guys ever hear from me, because a sad, very sad and a very perturbed encounter just happened between me and my wife. And snap. When I say I snap, try to walk away from the situation numerous of times, but tonight I couldn't do it. It overcome me and the devil power me. The Lord did not try me and I walk away, I try to walk away, but the devil keep coming at me and the devil overcome me to succumb. So this might be the last time y'all ever hear from me, but to sift me. Right, I might be in a grave tomorrow, I might be in a jail, but this is the last time y'all gonna hear from me. I'm one of you know, so yo, Fresh Cash, love you, love the Stalins Nation, the ladies them big up on yourself, but it might be the last time when ever hear from me. So with this little time when me have, whoever get this right now and can give me a call for hear my voice the last time, give me a call, because this is going to be the last time when you ever hear from me. And much love, much respect and everything. You understand? But Cash was here. I'm going to make a mark. But this is it. It's my destiny. It's my journey right here. Because the whole Georgia Supreme Cricket League, it was a pleasure and an honor playing with you guys and serving. Mr. Skinner, big up yourself, MCC. Mark, Sheldon, Jimmy, Junior. The whole works. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. But as this be my last note to them, want to know, so yo, I always got their own through spirit, strength, and health. Bless up on yourself. Alright? It was a pleasure knowing you all and serving with you all.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.